Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another graduation week video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my boy graduation shadow box. How fun is that design? You have that boy right there in the middle with his little friends ready for graduation. You have the university there in the background, and there are some graduation caps flying around in the air. This shadow box is really simple to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, your scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue or adhesive if you're going to want to attach the different layers together, foam squares if you want to add some dimension between those layers, and your shadow box, as well as your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Graduation Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in the entire event, including all 7 cut files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus graduation cut files through the VIP Access Pass, you can find information down below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using. That's 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this design in a larger shadow box or perhaps putting it on a card, you can change the size here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the solid white, yellow, cream, red, purple, and then dark purple. If you're going to add foam squares, I would probably suggest to do that behind both of the purple layers and then this yellow layer. I'm going to go ahead and just layer everything into the shadow box, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that now. Like I always do, I did add the pins to the backing piece to help push everything forward. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer the design. And I will add the backing piece and close up the shadow box. And there we go. Our shadow box is all set. How fun was this shadow box? Wasn't it really easy to put together? I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next graduation week video. Bye-bye.